In today's video, we're working on the surface area of a hemisphere. On the right hand side, you can see that our surface area is 2 pi r squared plus pi r squared. When we add that up, we have our surface area, which is 3 pi r squared. And when talking about the surface area, we are talking about the outer surface. So if you can imagine the other half of the circle, and we go ahead and cut that half, which gives us the hemisphere, we expose the bottom part, right? The bottom part, and we know that the bottom part of the circle is pi r squared, and that's the reason why we add pi r squared to give us 3 pi r to the second power. So on number 1, we're going to go ahead, and our radius is 2, and all we're going to do is substitute 2 for our radius. So surface area equals 3 pi. Our radius is 2, so we're just going to substitute 2 to the second power. We have surface area equals 3 pi, and we know that 2 times 2 is going to be 4. So we're going to go ahead and multiply 4 times 3, which is going to give us 12 pi inches squared. Or once again, if your teacher doesn't want your answer in pi, go ahead and multiply 12 times 3.14, which is going to give us about 37.68 inches squared. Okay, so for number 2, we're going to go ahead and do the same thing, just substitute 5 for our radius. So we have surface area equals 3 pi, our radius is 5 to the second power. Now our surface area equals 3 pi, and 5 times 5 is going to give us 25. We're going to go ahead and multiply now 25 times 3, which is going to give us 75 pi inches squared. And once again, if your teacher doesn't want you to leave it as pi, we're going to go ahead and multiply 75 times 3.14, and we're going to have our answer to be 235.5 inches squared. And once again, go ahead and share the video with your friends if they need help on this. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. For example 3 or 4, go ahead and challenge yourself. Try to do the problems and see if you got the same answers that I did. So you can go ahead and pause the video and then press play once you're done solving example 3 and 4. So for number 3, we're just gonna go ahead and input 7 in our radius. So we have 7, we have it as 3 pi, 7 to the second power. And then we're gonna go ahead and multiply 7 times 7. And we multiply 7 times 7, we have 49. And then we're going to go ahead and multiply 49 times 3. So we went ahead and multiply 49 times 3. We have 147 pi inches squared. If your teacher doesn't want your answer in pi, just go ahead and multiply 147 times 3.14. And we'll go ahead and multiply that. Our answer is about 461.58 inches squared. Okay. And for number 4, we're going to go ahead and do the same thing. Just plug in 13, which is our radius. So I have surface area equals 3 pi 13 squared. Surface area equals 13 pi, and we'll multiply 13 times 13. We're going to go ahead and get 169. Then we're going to go ahead and multiply 169 times 3. And we're going to go ahead and multiply that. We have 507 pi inches squared. And if you don't want to leave your answer in pi, we're just going to go ahead and multiply 507 times pi, which is 3.14. So we have our surface area to be about 1,500 and 91.98 inches square. Okay, and once again, thank you for watching.